Okay, so on the last tutorial, we got the ladybug to move, and now we are going to um, extend that program further. So what we're gonna need to do is create a couple of more class variable. Call it window width as integer, and then window height as integer. Okay, so what that's gonna do is it's gonna hold the width and height of basically the screen. We want the width and height to to be initiated here. So window width equals me. Me refers to the current form. Dot client size. Client size. Dot height. And then same thing to width. Window width. Height equals me dot client size dot height. And this is supposed to be width. All right. So width, height, height. All right. So in the timer, we catch the width and we catch the height. Now, what we need to do is figure out a way to test to see if the bug hits the right side, the left side, or the top side or the bottom, right? So the easiest way to do this is to use a single if statement. So what we need to do, so if the ladybug hits the right side, decrease the top. So decrease the left. So it will go to uh, I mean yeah, decrease the left. So it will go backward, right? If it hits the top, you need to decrease the top. So it will go backwards. So basically, we're gonna switch this 3 to a -3 every time it hits the right and left, or every time it hit the top and bottom. If it sounds confusing, it's not going to be confusing for you once we get the code done. So basically, if statement, if pickbug dot left is less than or equal to 0, or if pickbug dot right now, okay. Uh, Keep in mind, right is a read-only property, so you can only test to see if the right is a certain amount. You can't change the value of right. You only can change the value of pickbug.left or pickbug.top. Same thing with pickbug.bottom is a read-only property. So I have pickbug.left is less than or equal to 0. So that means it's on the left side, or pickbug.right is uh, greater than or equal to the window width, right? Window width, because if it's greater than the window width means that the right side is greater or equal, so the right hit the right side, or a couple of pixels more, okay. um, then then right, and then end if. Okay, so if, then, and if, but that's not okay. So if that's the case, then we are going to turn around. All right, and then else if pickbug dot top is less than or equal to 0, or pick bug dot bottom is greater than now, or greater than or equal to window height. Then we do this, turn around. Okay, so that's basically it. So this turnaround is basically set this to its inverse. So we can do that by int x times equal 1 times equals -1. Okay, so that's same thing as saying int x plus equals int x plus int x equals int x times -1. So in the shorthand notation, so the same thing, int y times equal -1. All right, so every time it hit the left side or it hit the right side, turn around. Every time it hit the top or the bottom, again, turn around. So let me see, I guess that's it. And then yeah, well, this needs to be all the way up here, V, right? So we want that to happen if start is true. You can even do if start. That's fine, because start is whatever is either true or false, right? So if start, shorthand for if start equals true. All right, so let's test this. Start. Bam. All right. So there you go, and then you hit stop, start, stop, start. Okay. Now, since we have the coordinates, right? The pick bug dot left plus int x. This is the x. This is the basically the current x coordinate. We have this label here, which we need to change to LBL just to be consistent. Okay, so that's LBL chords. That's what that is. All right, so LBL chords dot text equals a string x chords, and then that, and then n symbol, that, and then another n string y chords, right? Capitalize y. Do that, and then another n, and then the y chords. Pickbug dot top times int y. Bam. All right. So what that does is it's gonna give you what the current x and y coordinates are, right? Okay, cool. So there you go. What I need to do is increase this a little bit so everything fits. So let's do that again. All right, just to make sure it's checking the form. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, so there you go. Ladybug moved. All right, thanks guys for watching. See you next time.